Former Governor Andrew Cuomo is under fire after testifying in Washington about his handling of nursing home deaths during the pandemic. Cuomo testified in front of the House Oversight Committee in Washington on Tuesday. His administration's policy during the pandemic required nursing homes to admit patients who tested positive for COVID-19. In January 2021, Attorney General Letitia James released a report accusing the state health department of undercounting nursing home deaths by as much as 50%. In his opening statement Tuesday, Cuomo said the state only followed directions issued by the federal government. Then Congresswoman Elise Stefanik spoke on his deposition on Wednesday.
This was a long overdue step for those families who are still mourning the loss of their loved ones in New York State. We will continue to fight to deliver justice and accountability and answers for those families who are still grieving.
And Congresswoman Claudia Tenney also said we must deliver justice to the innocent victims and their families and ensure that such a tragic failure in leadership never happens again.